Today I'm making a chicken fajita bowl, and this recipe is from the keto-friendly South Beach diet. In the description, I will give you the page number for the recipe from Dr. Agustin's book. This was delicious, served over cauliflower rice. Love it. Let's get to it. Today, I'm going to make chicken fajita bowl, which is a phase 1 recipe on page 205 in the keto-friendly South Beach diet book. This recipe is described as a fiesta in a bowl. There are juicy pieces of chicken coated in a flavorful fajita sauce and tossed with perfectly sauteed veggies and black beans. To make this dish, I'm going to be using green bell pepper, organic chicken broth, lime juice, black beans, olive oil, cauliflower. I'm going to make cauliflower rice out of these florets. I'm using dried cilantro. I'm also using a chipotle powder. I'm also going to be using tomato paste. And I have boneless, skinless chicken that I've cubed. And the last ingredient is a cheddar cheese. All of my ingredients have been measured out and are ready to go. I'm starting with a nonstick frying pan, and I'm putting some of the olive oil in to get it heated up. The oil is heated, and I can now add in my chicken. I'm going to cook this chicken until it's cooked through on both sides. This will probably take about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Once the chicken is completely cooked, I'm going to take it out of the pan, set it aside, but I'm going to reserve the leftover grease that's in the pan. I've removed the chicken, and what I've done is taken my vegetables and put them in my NutriBullet, and I'm sauteing them together. I have taken the tomato paste, lime juice, chipotle, chili pepper, chicken broth, salt and pepper, put it in a small bowl, mixed it together, and now I'm adding the chicken back in. I'm adding in now the black beans. And I'm going to let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the sauce is slightly thickened. As you can see, this is a quick, easy dish. All it takes is for you to have everything ready to go. As you can see, the sauce has cooked down nicely. I'm sprinkling it with the dried cilantro. It's really a very beautiful dish. It's served over cauliflower rice and topped with cheese. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. And if you enjoyed this video, please check out my other tutorials. See you soon.